Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're downstairs in the kitchen for the spicy noodle challenge. I am also joined by my parents and my sisters, but they're choosing to be out of the frame. This is the sauce packet, and this is sesame seeds mixed with seaweed, but we're not going to mix that in because some of my family is allergic. Scared. The flavor is really good. I like good. The flavor, but the spice. See on my lips. Yeah, it gets intense like pretty fast, but I'm liking it.
It's not bad. What is it?
Should have pre-poured some milk.
We can put more. Want some?
Thanks, Dad. What do you think of the flavor?
Flavor's good.
Okay, the spice is not that bad anymore. You're right, the whole like just eating it. But the noodle consistency is like really yummy. Thank you.
Yeah, because we have double packaged noodles.
Am I sweating? Am I turning pink? My eyes are watering a little. Thank goodness for milk.
So this is 8,000?
So the noodles we're eating are the hot chicken flavor ramen.
Christmas edition.
Christmas edition? Christmas edition. I think like in the Try Guys video, okay, my youngest sister's already done. This was like level 1 or something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Definitely one of the most basic levels. So I can kind of see what some of them were talking about, and apparently Eugene's just tough.
It's so good, but my tongue hurts so bad.
Well, it's good. Thank you very much.
Okay, my dad is also done.
But it's got more burn than flavor.
Like, the flavor is so good. The spice, it's like, I don't know if it's worth it.
I finished.
I'm dying only a little. The tears in my eyes are less, but the burn in my mouth is going strong. Ugh, gotta wipe that spice off my lips. So that is the spicy noodle challenge. If you are choosing to do it, I would definitely recommend having a glass of milk, a bowl of ice cubes, or a bowl of ice cream on hand, ready to go for when the burn kicks in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there's any other food challenges or any other challenges that you would like to see me do, and I'll see you in my next video. Today we are downstairs in the kitchen for the spicy noodle challenge.
So now that the whole family's tried it, we all have. I mean, it's a hot burn. It lasts afterwards, but
Yeah.
it's not something that's gonna kill you at the moment. You said that's level 1, right?
I think so.
And it affects different people different ways. Like